This is not just an SUV. This is a revolution wearing a Nismo badge. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo storms into the spotlight as a luxury beast with shocking power, rewriting everything we thought we knew about full-size performance SUVs. From the outside, the 2026 Patrol Nismo looks like it was sculpted by speed itself. Nissan's motorsport division has injected pure aggression into this already legendary SUV. A redesigned front fascia features a massive V-motion grille with Nismo red accents, deeper air intakes, and aerodynamic enhancements that aren't just cosmetic. The sharper LED headlights slice through the night, while the muscular hood and flared fenders announce serious intent. This SUV doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. Along the sides, exclusive Nismo alloy wheels wrap around high-performance tires, hinting at the Supercar DNA underneath. Subtle carbon fiber details and a lower, wider stance improve stability at speed, while the rear gets a sport-tuned diffuser and quad exhaust tips that look ready to breathe fire. Despite its size, the Patrol Nismo feels athletic, blending luxury presence with track-inspired menace. Step inside, and the story shifts from raw aggression to high-end sophistication. The cabin feels like a digital command center designed for those who crave both comfort and control. Premium leather upholstery with Nismo stitching, Alcantara accents, and carbon fiber trim elevate the interior to near luxury sedan levels. The redesigned dashboard houses a large, high-resolution touchscreen paired with a fully digital instrument cluster, delivering navigation, performance data, and vehicle settings with crisp clarity. Technology is everywhere. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Bose sound system tuned to drown out the world or amplify the thrill. Ambient lighting adapts to drive modes, while heated and ventilated sports seats hug you tightly during aggressive driving. Even rear passengers are treated with generous space, advanced climate controls, and refined materials. This is luxury without compromise. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the 2026 Patrol Nismo apart: performance. Under the hood lives a hand-tuned 5.6-liter V8 enhanced by Nismo engineers to deliver explosive power. Expect output pushing beyond 430 horsepower, paired with a recalibrated transmission that shifts faster and smarter. Acceleration is shocking for a vehicle of this size, launching with authority and pulling hard through every gear. Nismo exclusive suspension tuning transforms the Patrol's dynamics. Adaptive dampers, reinforced chassis components, and improved weight distribution deliver sharper handling and reduced body roll. Intelligent all-wheel drive ensures traction in all conditions, whether you're carving highways or conquering sand dunes. It doesn't just roar, it roars intelligently, balancing brute force with precision. Safety and innovation remain central to the Patrol Nismo's mission. Nissan equips this SUV with its latest driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. A high-definition 360-degree camera system makes maneuvering this large performance SUV surprisingly easy. Enhanced structural rigidity and advanced airbag systems further reinforce confidence for both spirited driving and family duty. So where does the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo land in the market? Right at the crossroads of luxury and performance. It targets rivals like the Toyota Land Cruiser GR Sport and high-performance European SUVs, but with a uniquely bold personality. Expected pricing places it above the standard Patrol, yet still competitive compared to luxury performance SUVs offering similar power. What truly sets it apart is character. This is an SUV built for enthusiasts who refuse to choose between space, comfort, and speed. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is more than an upgrade. It's a statement of intent, a game changer that proves full-size SUVs can deliver supercar emotion without sacrificing luxury or capability. Bold, powerful, and unapologetically Nismo, this SUV is built to dominate roads and rewrite expectations. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.